my mentors. Who will be your mentors? I know it's not easy to reach out to them, but you can have online mentors, okay? So you will write here few influencers who you will be learning from through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, okay? So choose your number one mentor. If you don't know anybody yet, start discovering different entrepreneurs, different people online, and choose who is going to be your number one mentor, because it's important that you focus on one person and study them and go deep into their story, deep in their knowledge, okay? And mostly study them, okay? But beside of that, you will also need to follow 5 other influencers, okay? You want to follow other influencers, so you don't only follow the crap on Facebook, social media, those funny videos and stuff, but you want to have more of the entrepreneurs there, okay? So think about who you're going to follow and who you're going to learn on a regular basis from, and then go to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and follow them right now. Write them out, follow them right now. Print this out, put it in your dream board folder, and it's going to be all good.